Improve your aging score in 30 days. Simple plan after 60. In the last video, you tested yourself. You stood up from a chair, you tested your grip, you checked your balance, and maybe the results surprised you. Some of you felt encouraged, others felt concerned. Today, I want to tell you something very important. Where you start does not determine where you finish. In fact, after 60, small, consistent improvements often create the biggest changes. So in this video, I'm going to give you a simple 30-day plan. No gym required, no extreme workouts, no complicated routines, just practical daily actions that improve leg strength, grip strength, balance, confidence. Let's begin. Part 1. Improving your sit-to-stand score. If the chair test felt difficult, that tells us your lower body muscles need attention. After 60, we naturally lose muscle mass. This process is called sarcopenia. But here is the encouraging part. Muscle loss is not permanent decline. It is reversible when stimulated. Here's your simple plan. Twice a day, perform 5 to 10 controlled chair stands. That's it. Sit down slowly, stand up fully. Keep your arms crossed if possible. If that feels too hard, use your hands lightly at first. As it becomes easier, reduce assistance. This simple movement strengthens quadriceps, glutes, and core stabilizers. These muscles protect you from falls and maintain independence. After 1 week, add a small challenge. Pause for 1 second before sitting back down. This builds control, not just strength. By week 3, many people notice standing feels easier, stairs feel less intimidating, walking feels steadier. That is functional aging, slowing down. Part 2. Strengthening your grip. Now let's talk about grip strength. In medical research, grip strength is one of the strongest predictors of longevity. It reflects overall muscle quality and nervous system function. If your grip felt weak in the last test, here's your plan. Every day, squeeze a stress ball or rolled towel 10 to 15 times per hand. Hold each squeeze for 5 seconds. Rest briefly between repetitions. If you have light dumbbells or even water bottles, add this. Hold them for 20 to 30 seconds without bending your wrists. This builds forearm endurance. Why does this matter? Because grip strength supports carrying groceries, opening jars, preventing wrist injuries, and overall upper body stability. And more importantly, stronger grip often reflects stronger overall muscle activation. Within 4 to 6 weeks, measurable improvement is common. Remember, muscle responds to challenge, even in your 70s and 80s. Part 3. Rebuilding balance. Balance is not just about legs, it's about communication between your brain, inner ear, nerves, and muscles. If you struggled to stand on 1 foot, do not worry. Balance improves quickly with repetition. Here's your daily balance routine. Stand near a wall or kitchen counter. Lift 1 foot slightly and hold for 10 seconds. Switch sides. Repeat twice. As it gets easier, try heel-to-toe walking across the room. Place the heel of 1 foot directly in front of the toes of the other. Move slowly and deliberately. Balance training strengthens neural pathways. It improves reaction time. It reduces fall risk significantly. Many seniors report noticeable improvement in just 2 to 3 weeks. And here's something powerful. Confidence improves alongside balance, and confidence reduces fear of movement. Part 4. Support muscle with nutrition. Exercise stimulates muscle, but nutrition builds it. After 60, protein becomes even more important. Aim to include protein at each meal. Eggs, yogurt, fish, beans, chicken, lentils. You don't need large portions, but you do need consistency. Hydration is also critical. Dehydration increases fatigue and dizziness. And don't forget sunlight. Vitamin D supports muscle and bone strength. Simple exposure, even 10 to 15 minutes, helps. Strength is built in the kitchen as much as in the living room. The mental shift that changes everything. Now I want to address something emotional. Some people watch these videos and think, I'm too far behind. I should have started years ago. But here's what science shows. Even adults in their 80s improve muscle strength with resistance training. The body is adaptable. It's never too late to stimulate improvement. The goal is not becoming athletic. The goal is becoming capable. Capable of standing easily. Capable of walking confidently. Capable of living independently. And that's within reach. Your 30-day challenge plan. Let's make this clear and simple. Every day for 30 days, 5 to 10 chair stands twice daily, 10 to 15 grip squeezes per hand, 2 rounds of 10-second balance holds. That entire routine takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Track your repetitions. At the end of 30 days, repeat the original tests. Most people see measurable improvement. Even small gains matter. 2 extra chair stands, 5 extra seconds of balance. That is progress. Progress slows aging at the functional level. Why this matters more than you think? Aging is not just about lifespan, it's about health span. Health span means how many years you live with strength and independence. Muscle protects metabolism. Strength protects joints. Balance protects safety. When you train these areas, you're investing in your future self, and future you deserves that investment. Final encouragement. If your scores improve in 30 days, celebrate. If they improve slowly, stay consistent. Improvement is not always dramatic, but consistency compounds. 5 minutes a day, 10 minutes at most. That's a small commitment for greater independence. Your body is not fragile, it's responsive. And today, you have a plan. So begin tomorrow morning, repeat it daily, and in 30 days, test yourself again. Because aging is not just happening to you, you're participating in how it unfolds, and that changes everything. If this plan feels helpful, share it with someone who needs encouragement. And if you commit to the 30-day challenge, write "I'm in" the comments. Your strength journey starts now.